In this video, I'm going to teach you how to verify bank card for Apple Pay. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you might be aware, one of the most important steps to finish adding a card to your Apple Wallet is going to be the verification prompt. So after you are done opening the Apple Wallet, tapping the plus sign, and going through the process of adding a new debit or credit card, you will be prompted to verify your identity. This is needed and basically mandatory. So each different bank or credit union or service will have a different way for you to verify your card, but usually they will present you with options such as using their mobile application, dialing a certain number, so using your phone, using SMS, or an email. You can choose from any of the verification methods that they present, so all that you have to do is choose from any of the options. Because this is going to differ for every single service, I cannot give you specific instructions on screen. I'm going to show you an example with the Navy Federal Credit Union. So like I mentioned, they have two main options, using the application or calling them at the number listed. You can choose from either of these and then proceed. Whenever you choose any of these, you will automatically be redirected into the app or the dial. So if you choose the app, all that you have to do is sign into your account or the account for the card's owner. And once you are signed in, there will be a button allowing you to complete this verification prompt. If you choose the option to call, you will be able to talk to one of their customer support representatives. You just have to confirm that you want to link the card and they will be able to assist you. Support should be online 24/7, and like I mentioned, it doesn't matter which option you pick. It's just that you have to go through the verification process regardless. If you choose complete verification later, the card might be added into the Apple Wallet, but it is most likely going to be unusable, so keep that in mind. You will have to finish the card verification fully if you want to use this card in conjunction with the Apple Wallet. I hope I was able to help you on how to verify bank card for Apple Pay. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.